Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in the Citroen remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case to access the battery. First thing I'd recommend to do is to have the key blade in that location so it's not under tension, the spring, so it doesn't spring out and lose its position. Also, I wouldn't use a small flat-headed screwdriver because the cases can be quite stiff and the key cases can get chewed up very easily. So I would get a large flat-headed screwdriver like this one, pop it in the indentation and twist it like so to remove the two halves of the case. Be very careful because the board can pop out of its position. And there you go, there's your key fob battery. We just slide it out of its housing like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR1620 like this one. We take our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing. Make sure that the writing is facing upwards at you so it's in its correct location. Now it's time to pop it back together. We pop the board back in to the key fob case. Make sure it's all located correctly. And we pop the casing back together. Make sure it's all lined up and it clicks back in place. And there you go, it's all done.